Do you have little ones at home who are constantly on their iPads playing video games or asking to watch TV?
There's nothing else to do. Can I please have an iPad? Okay. Now, then check your pantry for food coloring and get ready for this next story.
Melissa Cole met up with lifestyle blogger and teacher Nicole Charles for some science fun. Take a look.
So Nicole, it's winter time. A lot of people are inside, cooped up, trying to think of ways to entertain their kids.
Yes, we are always looking for things to do around here, and since, you know, with COVID, some kids aren't in school every day, and even if they are in school, I think they're missing out on a lot of the hands-on types of activities. So I am trying to think of creative ways to do fun activities that they'll enjoy, but also kind of incorporate some educational skills.
Learning that they probably don't even realize that they're learning.
Yes, exactly.
All right, so what are we going to do today?
So today we're going to do a little science experiment with color and rainbows. My kids love rainbows. Clearly, they just had a rainbow-themed birthday party. So they got really excited for this activity. I shared it on my Instagram, and a lot of people enjoyed it. So I thought it was a good, fun activity to share.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna need water. Now, this actually came from a science kit, this idea, but when I was sharing it, you don't even need the kit to do the activity. You most likely have all the supplies at home.
All right, so we're filling up these little jars with water?
Yep, and you wanna make them even.
Perfect. Excellent pouring skills.
Okay, so then they obviously can compare and see if they're even. So then the next step is food coloring. All you need is blue, yellow, and red food coloring, and you're gonna put 5 drops in each. So count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
great.
So these are the primary colors.
Yes,
Now we're mixing them to make the secondary colors.
exactly.
Okay.
This pipette came with our science kit. If you don't have a pipette at home, this is just a medicine dropper. You may have some old medicine at home that you're not using. You could just pitch the old medicine, clean this out, and use the dropper. All right, so we're gonna mix red and then some blue.
So before we put the blue in there, what do we think is going to happen?
It's purple.
Purple, you made purple. All right, so red and blue make purple.
We do the same thing, mixing blue and yellow.
So what color do you think it's gonna make, guys? Blue and yellow.
Green.
Green!
You got it.
So cool.
And then yellow and red.
Okay, so what color did we get with red and yellow? Orange.
Woohoo!
Awesome.
It's like magic.
If you have a white ice cube tray, let them experiment mixing all the different colors.
Sometimes you end up with brown.
Probably a lot of times black, right? All right, so orange and blue made a dark green.
Yeah. So I made this little worksheet for them to do afterwards, and it just talks about, or goes over, I should say, the color mixing and what colors they got with the primary colors, and then they have to circle which of these colors are primary and which are secondary. So again, it's just reinforcing some skills. You can review it with them and then ask what their favorite color is. So something simple, fun, still educational.
I love it.
Another easy and fun idea, using markers, have your kids draw the colors of the rainbow on the edge of a paper towel.
So the next step is you put each end of the paper towel into the bowl of water.
It is going fast.
And if you give it a couple minutes, the paper towel will absorb all of the water, and in theory, the rainbow should connect.
All right, guys. What do you think?
There's a cool rainbow paper towel, and if you hang this to dry somewhere, like I just hung it over my faucet over the sink so it wouldn't make a mess everywhere, it ends up drying pretty cool. This is just our tester that we did the other day. So I don't think we used all of the rainbow colors, but just to give you an idea. And then you could even do a craft project with this, something fun.
Yeah.
With the rainbow paper towel paper would be really cute.
Paper towels and markers. Who knew it could be so
Right,
exciting?
and water, that's all you need.
You know what the colors of the rainbow are?
Roy G. Biv.
Roy G. Biv, red,
Yeah.
orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
What's your favorite?
Probably green. Oh, there you go.
I like purple.
All right. Follow
right.
Nicole's blog for more ideas. She always comes up with something fun to entertain her 4 kids.
Wow, you know, I love the simple creativity,
Yeah,
and
it's
it's
great.
stuff you have at home. It is The Green Robe, thegreenrobe.com/blog. There it is right on your screen.